Hi, I'm Lyns of lynsurbanart. This is brought to you in association with the Sun and Moon Festival. We're going to be making milk bottle medics. So today we're going to be doing a doctor. So for this project you're going to need PVA glue, white acrylic, red acrylic paint, 2 paintbrushes, some scissors. If you've got them, nail scissors, ask a sister or your mum or anybody who's about. Some marker pens, also a black marker pen, a carrier bag, hopefully a bag for life because they're a little bit thicker. You're also going to need a 1 pint milk bottle and also a empty pop bottle. These are going to fit together. The milk bottle is going to be the head of your doctor and the pop bottle is going to be the body. First thing you're going to do is mix white acrylic and PVA glue half and half, so you've got the same amount of glue and white paint, and mix them together and paint your milk bottle and your pop bottle 3 times, making sure you let it dry in between each layer. Once you've done this, add a touch of red, just a touch, to your white acrylic and PVA. Mix it together, and this is going to make you pink for your face. Paint half your milk bottle pink, and this is going to be the face of your doctor. Next, we're going to do the ears. So draw a circle, well, half a circle on the side of your milk bottle. Do this also on the other side. Once you've done this, get your cocktail stick and poke a hole in the bottom of your ear, like so. Then get your scissors. You may need an adult to help you with this because it does get a little bit tricky and you don't want to cut your ears off. Get some little scissors, the smallest ones you've got. Put them in the hole that you've just made with your cocktail stick and cut around the ears to make your ears. Now push them both out because you're going to do exactly the same process to the other side, and this is going to make the ears of your doctor. Now I've provided a sheet with eyes and also a template for your mask and also some arms. Get the eyes and either print them out, but don't worry if you haven't got a printer. Draw your own because they look even better if you draw your own. But if not, just trace them off the computer. Colour them in, cut them out. Now position them and glue them on with PVA glue like so. Once you've done this, colour the back of your milk bottle. I've done mine black, but you can do yours any colour you want for the hair. Also, put a line up the middle of your milk bottle, and this is going to make your hat. You can also add a bow on to this if you want. Next, we're going to do the body. So we're going to start the body with drawing a V shape of the top of your bottle. If I was you, I would do it in pencil first. I've just done it in pen to show you a bit clearer. So once you've done this, from the middle of your V shape, draw a line all the way down your bottle. Once you've done this, take that line all the way round your bottle, and this is going to make the jacket for your doctor. Next, you're going to add the collar of your jacket. This is going to go either side of the V on your neck of the bottle. So as you can see, I've just done 2 triangles. But it doesn't matter if yours don't look like mine. It'll still look as good, don't worry. Once you've done this, you can add buttons and you can also add pockets and put whatever you want in the pockets. I've just done pens and stuff, but you can add whatever you want. I've also added a name badge. I've put NHS, but you can also add anything you want to the name badge. Next, we're going to do the mask. So for the mask, you're going to need the carrier bag. Find a bit of white on the carrier bag and cut it out. Get the template that I've provided, cut it out and put this on the carrier bag in a white spot. Draw around it in one of your marker pens. Once you've done this, cut it out. Now get one end of the plastic mask shape, twist it. Once you've done this, tie a plastic elastic band around it. You may need a bit of help for this because it does get a little bit tricky. Once you've done this, do exactly the same process to the other side. Next, get your bottle, which is the body, and then add loads of sticky tabs to the top of the neck, like so. You can also do this with glue if you haven't got sticky tabs, don't worry. Now, push the milk bottle on top of the pop bottle to make your full doctor. Next, get the arms from the template provided, colour them in and cut them out. You can attach these with sticky pads like I have or glue. Once you've done this, you can add anything you want to the hands. So you can cut out any attachments from paper or card. So here's your doctor, milk bottle medic. For the nurse that's shown in the picture at the beginning, all you have to do is change the colour to blue. And instead of doing the doctor's coat, just do a top and a pair of trousers. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this. If you do make any, will you please send me them? Because I'd love to see them. Thanks a lot. Enjoy.